coast to coast.
My man's Grand Marquis is beautiful, man. He's been taking his time and he's building it. He's doing it right. You don't see a lot of Mercs anymore out there, but this time you see it, you see a great job, man.
But Amani is the rim. You feel me? Look how I look. What made me pick the Amani's like are the hardest new rims that's out. You feel me? Like, especially on these old school. Look how I look.
Done.
Look how I look.
Super clean.
I'm clean.
Where'd you come out of? Tampa?
Yeah, we came out of Tampa, really out of Brooksville, Florida, right through Tampa. You feel me? Came down to coast. They say this is the best people in the whole state of Florida with the rims, with the lift adjustments, and you could tell with the staff. Everybody was like, treating me like I'm from here, home. They did a great job. You see how the car came out. I came and ordered the rims. They had them beat the time that we thought that it was expected. And man, I mean, the rest is in the pudding, as you can see how it sits. It sits perfectly. You can turn the wheel like you want to. I can't wait to really bring it out for the car shows, as well as show people back home the great work that Coast to Coast do, because we're going to have a bunch of customers from North Central Florida come down south. And this is PIE, the next be representing the VIST. You can go on SoundCloud, you can go on YouTube, everything, and look me up. Church, the next to be Coast to Coast. I'm so excited, words can't explain it. You feel me? For real.